So what I have is a tabletop that has a perimeter is equal to 99 inches, if I can write. So 99 inches all the way around. And we know that the length is equal to, it's 9.5 inches more than the width. So we'll just call this x. This is x plus 9.5, or um, we could do x, and then the width would be x minus 9.5, but we'll just do it this way. So basically what's going to happen here is we're going to have 2x plus 2 times x plus 9.5 equals 99. So what we'll have is 2x, distribute the 2, so 2x plus 9.5, which will be 19, equals 99. Add the two 4's together, or 2x's together, the two 2x's, so 4x, and then subtract the 19. We end up with 80. So divide by 4, x is going to be equal to 20. So what's going to be equal to 20? So width is equal to 20 inches. And the length, that means it's going to be 20 plus 9.5, which is going to be 29.5 inches. So let's just test that real quick. So 29.5 times 2 plus 20 times 2, which will give us, this ends up being equal to 59, and then this ends up being 40, which is 99. So that works. So width's equal to 20 inches, and length's equal to 29.5. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.